Hello everyone. Today I am here to tell you one wonderful cryptocurrency, Shiba, Shiba Inu. It is the fastest growing cryptocurrency and is very strongest cryptocurrency. To earn Shiba, we have an opportunity by going to free.shiba.limited. In this website, you can create account. So go to freeshiba.limited website. Here you will have opportunity to earn free Shibas. Click on login, create your account with your email, enter the password, captcha, click on the login. If you already have the account, if you don't have the account, click on sign up, enter your email, enter your username, enter your password, confirm your password, enter the captcha, get registered. You are going to get the confirmation mail to your mail account, so make it confirm. I am already registered in this Shiba. I will log in with my email ID and password. Sorry. Here my cap lock is on, so I got error. So here you get to see your dashboard, your username, your level, total earnings, number of referrals, your token balance, your energy, your deposited tokens, and one Shiba equal to one token. So here you can make the tokens which you can convert to the Shiba very easily. This is your progress, where you can get a bonus for your levels every level, and also you get the bonus for your faucet. I will tell you about withdrawing after explaining this all options. In the dashboard you get to see these all features about your earnings, and go to referrals, invite your friends and earn 50% of earnings. See, you're going to get 50% of their earnings by using your referral link. Send your referral link to your friends, your relatives, your well wishers, and help them to make earning with Free Shiba Limited. So here you will have the achievements. You can see the cup here. Cup is going to give when you win the match. So you are going to get the achievements. When you finish 100 PTCs, you are going to get 50,000 tokens along with energy. So like this 5,000 PTs, you are going to get this many tokens, and 10,000 PTs, this many tokens. So get to see the achievement progress report here, and you are going to get by completing 100 short links also, and lotteries. By spending on lotteries also you are going to get the tokens. See, you have multiple ways to earn money in this Shiba. A dice. If you are interested to make a betting, then you can make a bet. Okay, so you can make a bet, depends on our requirement. So you are going to get winnings in this dice. auto faucet. If you want to earn more automatically, then the faucet is here. You have to wait for this much of time to get this many tokens. Manual faucet. For every 5 minutes, 2000 tokens with plus 0.5% bonus. You can climb 100 every day. I will show you how to climb. So 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 6 11. So 6 7 11. So it is anti-board. We have to click on this one. Next, click on the collect your rewards. So we got 2010, 2000 plus bonus. It has been added to your balance. Okay, wow. You will have Wheel of Fortune. So this is going to get by energies. Okay, to get the energies, I will tell you. Here we'll have the anti-board is 4 1 10. So we have to click on 4 1 10. At present you don't have enough energy. Okay, to get the energy we have to click on short links. Here we have the opportunity of earning 10,000 tokens along with 6 energy. Right, you can climb this one. 65 links are available, and this many tokens also available, this many energy is available. You can use this beautiful option by clicking short links. PTC. $373 ads are available, this many tokens are available. Now it's asking me to wait for 15 seconds to get this many tokens. So click on go. We have to wait for 15 seconds. So we have to view the ad. Now it is time to confirm that I am not a robot. Crosswalks, where is the crosswalks? So click on next. Motorcycle, verify. Now click on verify. Simply close this tab. Good job, 5000 tokens has been added to your balance. Like this you can able to add tokens. Next, lottery is here available. You can buy tickets. The reward of lottery is very huge, and one ticket is 5000 tokens. See, this is a list of 10 winners. You got those got this many tokens. Task. So here you can able to make a video and put in the YouTube, link that video into this field, then you are going to get this many tokens along with energy. So create a blog. By this method also you can able to earn more tokens. Blog post Shiba, photo Shiba, a new website. So we have a multiple ways to earn free Shiba tokens in Free Shiba Limited. So withdraw proof, stacking Shiba. So in Twitter, 5 referrals under your link. Okay, posting Shiba photo in Instagram, 50 referrals under your link. So you have a lot of opportunities to earn more and more tokens. Okay, so you can join a chat plus 5 messages. Pinterest, post up in Pinterest. Okay, so like this we have n number of opportunities to make free Shiba. Offer wall. Here we'll have bits wall. Offer, surveys, website, short links, watch videos. So these all websites. So Shiba Inu I am going to get 1250 sorry, for waiting of 8 seconds. Click on this link. Please wait. You have to wait for 8 seconds. It's done. We have to confirm that we are not robot. Pick the image that doesn't belong in the row. So these are lookalike same, and I want to click on the heart. Great job. So this will be success. Close this tab. Now this will be empty. It will be in the, is going to appear within 1 day. Okay, so it is going to be appeared. So it will done automatic, nothing to be worry. It is going to be added to your balance. Monlinks is another opportunity. Here we have surveys, offers, BTCs account. So this many Shibas are available. So you can create an account with this and make the surveys. If you are eligible for this survey, you are going to get this many Shiba. So advertise. It is one of the great opportunity for the people who want to make advertisement to get huge response. Create campaign. You can deposit the money, create a name, description, put the URL, number of views, the duration time you can specify here. See, for 15 seconds 5250 tokens, 30 seconds 7000 tokens, 60 seconds, like this. The charging for your advertisement. But using this beautiful opportunity, you can get huge viewers to you. Manage your campaigns. So advertisement is one of the beautiful option for those people who want to make the business to grow in fast span of time. Deposit. So you can deposit USDs with help of Coinbase. You know, Coinbase is one of the genuine wallet. So most people are using in many sites. Transactions with Coinbase is very free of cost. They're not charging transaction fee. So you can create a Coinbase wallet for your crypto transactions, and you can use it for the Shiba also. Transfers. So you can only transfer from main balance to deposit balance. This process can't be reversed. So you can transfer your money from your main balance to deposit balance. It cannot be reversed again. So before going to transfer your funds, you need to think once. Why? Because it's not going to be reverse. Here is a profile and is history. So here Shiba is one of the beautiful opportunity in this crypto generation. I told you how to use Shiba. You need to create the account with your username and password, and I told how to earn different methods, short links, PTCs, lottery, task, a number of methods are there, and wheel is there, and also told you about withdrawing. This is one of the main important thing. I will tell you, go to your dashboard. Here you can see 1 Shiba equal to 1 token. Next to that you get to see token balance. So at present my tokens are this many, so Shiba tokens are this many. Now to withdrawal, the minimum withdrawal tokens should be this many. So I can able to withdraw when I reach my target. But where I can able to withdraw? I can able to withdraw to True Wallet. I need to enter the True Wallet address here, or one more method is there, Binance Smart Chain. By using that method also you can able to withdraw your funds. So enter that address, click on withdraw. Next. So how Shiba works? Shiba Inu is a project launched in the Ethereum network. This is the reason the consensus mechanism of Shiba Inu is the same as the consensus mechanism of Ethereum. So need to understand, it is just like a Ethereum. So dear friends, work on this free Shiba limited to make your life wonderful, your future beautiful. So earning is very important for everyone's life. So earn, but in a smart way, is a next generation choice. Earning in a smart way. Shiba is one of the rapid, strongest growing cryptocurrency. Okay, you can purchase the tokens or you can make free tokens. Definitely it is going to make you richer and richer. Thank you very much.